So yun guys, quick vid lang, magpaparamdam lang. And medyo busy na rin kasi this past few weeks. So hindi na ako naka-update. Dapat yung i-upload ko is yung Air Force One, kaso ginahol na ako sa oras. Kailangan na kasi ng customer. So ito na lang yung gagawin ko. Ano to? NMD boost restoration na lang. So, yun. Gawin na natin. Let's go! Alright. First thing first. Ay, ba naman yan? Puro pintura na ako. Titape muna natin yung boost. Ay, yung sole. Ito pala yung tape. Yan. Oh my god. Sabi nga ni Vic Almighty, one strip of tape.
Got the keys. Growing up in the hood, gotta make it out. Never tie my shoes until them times I had to break out. Heard that nigga got it while I wanted time to stake out. You can lose focus, time is money, that shit play it out. Old heads telling me be careful, cops is racist. I like my jewelry plain diamonds in my girl bracelet. Never want for nothing, cut my problems, I'ma face them. I'm feeling like a crip, cause I'm stingy with them faces. I don't see walking nigga, all I do is see notes. Come from times of struggle, was the shit I had to be most. What you know about selling weed, then going to report. Taking drugs back like a cycle, it just reflowing. No need to...
So yun, tapos na tayo mag-tape. Tape lang. Then, ito na nga, ang gagamitin ko, Angelusdirect to premix kasi. So, lagay ko naman sa takip. Angular brush. Papaintan ko na. Sabi ko sa inyo, short vid lang. Nagparamdam lang ako sa inyo kasi yun lang. Natuwa ako masyadong marami na nanonood na. So, nilagyan ko lang ng ulit ng mag-vid. Okay restoration baka next week. Or basta. Let's go. Paint na tayo.
Yeah. Hey. Lil pills, who the pills? Call of Duty, get the kills. 360 with the skills. 350's not for sale. Waking, I just ring the bell. Calling the fuck on myself. I might just turn you to dust. Burning like you up in hell. Bitch, I'm a demon. Bitch, I'm a heathen. Bitch, I'm a dog. Bitch, I be eating. You stay defeated. Bitch, I'm a ball hog. Yeah, I ain't never gon' pass. You ain't never gon' last. Big check, big bills. New money, get it fast. They hate me so much, think they wanna crucify. Shawty get that shot cause she just learned it's do or die, yeah. You get a check on a Friday, bitch I be making it my way. You get a talking all sideways, I'm swerving you off of the highway. They hate me so much, think they wanna crucify. Soaking up the hate cause I just wanna fucking die, yeah. Spending my check on a Saturday, taking these drugs out of space. Look at these demons in my eyes, bitch I always need a taste. All these people call me emo. They rhymes as easy like a free throw. I'm talking shit, I get the free smoke. And all this liquor make me feel so dumb. And all these pills make me feel so numb. And all these people make me feel so smart. Check my fit, I'm looking like high art. And I get bankrupted with my shopping cart. Yeah. I could bankrupt you with my shopping cart, bitch. Yeah, it's little pills, yeah. They hate me so much, think they wanna crucify. Shawty get that shot cause she just learned it's do or die, yeah. You get a check on a Friday.
So, yun. Tapos na tayo. Wala nang outro. Ito na lang siguro. Sa mga nanonood, yung mga bago dyan, hit like and subscribe. And, ayan. Pag naka 1,000 subscribers tayo, free custom ako. Or kung tinopak man ako, tingnan nyo na yung description link. Doon ako magpo-post kung sino pipiliin kung kukustoman ko or i-restore kong sapatos. So, yun na lang. At, ayun na nga. Wait lang. Yeah. Okay na ba? Yan. Hindi siya shiny. Hindi siya white. Hindi siya sobrang white. Hindi siya sobrang hindi siya sobrang creamy. So, yun. Or normal na boost lang. So, yan. Thank you sa panonood.